Hello, hi guys, how are you? Hope you are all fine. Now in this video we will discuss about the radio button. Radio button are independent. We have to select one of them. I mean, if there are number of buttons, so we will choose only one. Radio buttons are independent of from one another. So let's try an example. So first what you have to do, very simple code, just follow me. Type radio and let me separate this. You have to first type the radio and then value, what value of 1. Sorry, first of all you have to define an integer value for this. So here I have defined this integer group 1. This radio button will belong to group number 1. So group is equal to 1, and then now come here, we are implementing about group 1, so we use the value 1. If we use the group 2, we will use the same value which we in the integer form we have defined in on the above section. Now group value, what will the group value will be the group, what group, the group which we have defined at at the upper level. This you have to pass this value in the group section. Okay, uh, now what you have to do on change, what will be on change state. In on change state, we will just print the some condition like true, and now print what we have to print, just we will print the t. Okay, we have passed this t to here. Now after printing we have to set the state. Okay, uh, set state, we will set the group state, which group we are using. We are using the t group t section, mean we have to print the t, and what is the t value? 1. This group number value is 1. I will show you in next code. Okay, uh, we have printed the t. Okay, this is done. Okay, now just copy this to duplicate the button. Okay, paste here and change the value from 1 to 2, because this is the number 2 radio button. Let's hot reload it and check the output. Okay, we have this, what is the error here down. Okay, now this button is inside this button. You can see this is printing. When I print, when I click on this yellow button is inside this yellow icon. Okay, now you are seeing the output flutter 1, and now when I click here, then it prints 2. When I click here, then it's print 1. Now here, this was the example. You can use the radio button. There are number of different other examples you can search on the Flutter's official website. Hope you are enjoying my tutorials. Thanks for subscribe my channel.